In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a board in Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, organized board that's ready for you and your team to start working in right away. First, make sure you're in the correct workspace on the left-hand side of your Monday.com screen. This is where all of your boards live and are grouped by team or project. In that left-hand panel, look for the Add button with a plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus button. This is your starting point anytime you want to create something new in Monday.com. After you click the Add button, you'll see a few options for what you can create. Here, choose the option to create a board. You may see wording like New Blank Board or Start from Scratch. Select that option. This tells Monday.com that you want a completely fresh board without any pre-made templates or structures, giving you full control over what it looks like. Next, you'll be asked to name your board and set its privacy. Take a moment to think about what this board is for. You might call it something like Marketing Projects, Product Roadmap, or Client Onboarding. Choose a name that's clear and descriptive so your team can easily recognize it later. Right below the name, you'll choose the privacy level. A main board is visible to the whole team in that workspace, which is great for shared projects. A private board is only accessible to specific people you invite, useful for sensitive information or early planning. A shareable board is designed for collaborating with external guests, such as clients or partners, without giving them access to everything in your account. Pick the option that best fits who needs to see and use this board, then confirm to create it. Once the board is created, Monday.com will give you a default first column. Click on the column name to rename it to something meaningful, like tasks or projects. This first column usually represents the main thing you're tracking, so choose a label that matches your workflow. Now look to the right of your columns. At the end of the header row, there's another plus icon. Click this to add more columns. Here you can choose different types, like status to track progress, person to assign an owner, date for deadlines, numbers for budgets or hours, or timeline to show a start and end date. Add whichever column types support the way your team works. Finally, start adding items in the rows beneath your columns. Each row is an individual task, project, or deliverable. Click into the first empty row and type your item name, then move across the row to fill in the status, assignee, due dates, or any other details you've set up. Repeat this for all your tasks or projects, and your new Monday.com board is ready to go.